all right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We are back again, a new video. This is a live broadcast. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. Yes, we are going to start properly because there's no time to wait. We just have breaking news that Lawyer Jumako and some other people, of course, Igbo people has been arrested. And I would like to, this from Lawyer Jumako's handle. Okay. So I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you can see that. This is just a sad news. Very, very sad. Just a moment. Just a moment. I will be right back. Elijah Malcolm made this post that he has been arrested by Nigerian police. Okay, and this is I just download the picture. I think I should just look for a way to share it so that you yourself can read it. How are we all doing today? Good morning to you. Please make sure you like the video. We are just starting, although we did not start on time, but we are going to go through some of the things that has happened. Chinedu, I see you. All of you in the comment section, Chijoke, Paddy, and Uncle Jerry, Argo, Prince, I see you. These are people that made a comment so far. Of course, our brother Amadi Chigoze, you are the first. Please keep your comment coming and don't forget to use the hashtag #FreeMasNamadikano. A lot is going on. Like I already know that it's going to happen, to be honest with you. Article that I don't know if article is there present. FreeMasNamadikano, yes, hashtag #FreeMasNamadikano is what I want to say in the comment. That is exactly what I want to say. If you don't mind, please make sure you get that, put that one out there so we can start with it. So let me This is Showore running. This is Showore. You can see Showore running, right? You can see Showore. He's he's running for his life. Let's take it back again. You can see this is Showore. And to me, the way his body language appeared to me like he already knew that something is about to happen. But our lawyer Jimako and other lawyers and other reverend, like you can see that bishop there, right? I think they are all have been arrested. They all have been arrested, and Showore, I doubt he's one of those that was arrested. I'm not saying that he did the wrong thing. No, I'm not saying what I'm saying now because I want to mock him. No, because sometimes if we can make that statement in another, sometimes we can make that statement. But we need to be true. We need to be honest to what we do. All this thing is just part of it. I already know, like I said, I know that this thing will happen like this. That's just a fact. And Nigeria is a country that this kind of thing is always very, very common. Very, very common. Very, very common in Nigeria. And if you continue or if you push more, they will start buying people. They will start unaliving people. What do you think people should do? What do you think people should do, or the best way to save, to be free or to avoid this kind of thing? In your own way, what do you think you should do? You have to, but you have to resist it. But Nigeria is not wired to do that. There's no way this kind, what we are seeing in other countries will take place in Nigeria. Like the kind of revolution. That is why when I see some people, some average Nigerian or young people attacking you and insulting you because you are demanding for your freedom. Because the best revolution in Nigeria, as they set it, is total freedom, total breakout from Nigeria. Without it, you're on your own. Without it, you're on your own. Let's continue. So, oh my goodness, he's running and shouting free man now. I understand anyway. I understand. God. Anyway, let's watch another one. Let's watch another one. Now, you see the reason why every sensible human being should not have share any pity whatsoever to Nigerian police or even Nigerian army. Why? Showing sympathy or trying to sympathize with them if any of them that fall victim of this nonsense. You see the reason? In Madagascar, army and police understand the pain of the citizens. In Madagascar. Even in Kenya, at some point, they started trying to share idea. In hardcore heart of Islam, like a country like like Pakistan. Despite all the nonsense happening there, protesters are not being treated like this. Never, never. In what is the name of this? In Bangladesh, few weeks ago or months ago, police and army, they want to do garagara, but once they see the determination of the citizens, they don't use sophisticated weapon on them. You know, just now they throw tear gas. If you push a little bit, they will use rifle, and that will be the end. Do you understand? Somebody say, Newe. I don't. Are you talking to me, Emeka John? I don't know what you mean by Newe. Now, if you see any time police or immigration, you know, something happened to them, this is the reason why understandable Nigerians, I don't want to say Biafra now, don't show any sympathy to them. That's why you see, for example, if Amraba buy them or even Boko Haram buy them, you'll be like, it served them well, because they are very, very stupid. Very, very, very stupid. Typical black people. You are wearing, you know, police uniform and you have arms and all that. People are protesting. They are not breaking law or order. They are not breaking any law and law of the country. They just want to protest peacefully without stopping or disrupting anything. But now it is not. It will be clear to someone, because most of these protesters are those saying no sit at home. That sit at home is destroying the economy of Southeast at large, Nigerian economy. That Masakano don't want it, don't want. Before Biafran embark on sit at home, this is what they have witnessed. This is what you are seeing now. They are witnesses in adjustment. This is just preamble. And my prayer is that they should keep on protesting, which I support 100%. But the system did not allow it. Now, after criticizing, just understand, because like I said, this is turn by turn. Underline that word, turn by turn. When Biafrans were protesting, some Igbo people, some Biafrans said, no, don't protest. You guys are trying to protest. They did everything. They were doing everything to stop the protest. Some of them protest today actually clapped for police throwing tear gas on Biafra, justifying that killing of Igbo youth because they were protesting in Obibo, in Anambra, in Emene, in Aba. They unalive many people for just protesting. Those that clapped and supported that in them, they are now welcoming protest as well. They are welcoming protest as well. The question is, now that they have understand that that's important in protesting, when you want to protest, there's something you want to get, you want to achieve something, you want to make a statement. Now they are throwing their gas on you. If you push, of course, they will unalive you. Remember NSAS. Most of people that participated in NSAS was against Biafran protesting. And they applied them the same way they applied Biafran. But when you were clapping for them to stop Biafran protesting, you did not know that a day will come when you want to protest for another thing. They will use the same hand they used against Biafran on you. Today, everybody is now getting the idea what it takes to protest. Now, when Biafran says, okay, we don't need to protest again because there's no way we can go toe-to-toe with them because we want to protest. They keep on tying us. They keep on unaliving our youth. Let us sit at home, which is civil disobedience. Most of the people now demanding protest now, they don't understand. They have no idea of what Biafran have seen. Now, the good thing about this protest is this. One, it will help those who criticized sit at home to understand the importance of sit at home. It will also reshape the brain and the idea, because remember, the protest was called by Nigerian politicians and Nigerians. Those who are dying and whining believe that Nigeria one day will become a country and all that. I knew how Aloy Ejimako push hard to pass the information of Southeast governors that Nnamdi can order PM to stop sit at home at all costs. We watched it. Alhaji Mako is now on the street protesting. Breaking news, he has been arrested. Not only him, many other people. You can see, you saw Sowore running, right? If not, he would have been among those. Mazakai, our Nigerian police and army are the problem we have in that country. What do you mean by our Nigerian police? What do you mean by our Nigerian police? You know, you Nigerian police. I'm not in support of Nigerian police. I'm not hiding it. I'm not support, because they don't mean anything for humanity. People who don't even understand their own waiting problem for their own children, they don't even understand it. Just for you to see the level of idiocy in the system. You have served 30 years, let's say 20 years. In fact, let me not even go far. 10 years as a Nigerian police force, and you have seen your colleague that served 40 years retired protesting because of their what they call it, their retirement fee. There's a word for that. Pension. They have not received that pension. No free medication as a retired officer. Nothing whatsoever. You are serving currently. You know how the system is treating your predecessors. You don't bother. You don't care about it. To you, it doesn't matter. You think it's going to end on them. It's not going to affect you. Okay. Now you can see them. Probably the idiots that throw tear gas may have not even taken breakfast. Oh, we go obu agwo na aban. Oli be ndi aban. Obono gari ka wo na aban. Na ebugare ngwo na na. Ndi believe. The only way they have strength is on armed people. You see, imagine if Sowore, let's assume if they can agree, if they can have their senses and shut down all the business, sit at home 1 week, now the whole country. If it will reset the brain of those ones wearing khaki. No transportation, no petrol station opening, nothing. Let Tinubu and his cabal run the country and let them be the seller, be the organizer, be the cleaner. Let them serve as a barrel pusher. Let them do it by themselves for 1 week. Which some of the man laughing. I can't remember. I forgot. I always struggle to pronounce his first name. So the man that is late now. Some of the man laughing. Many of you know who I'm talking about. Asatina, I see you. Asatina may know the name I'm talking about. You are welcome, son. Nigeria is an evil country. Without being told, it is very clear. Easy way said that our Nigerian, our police. And that's why I was like, easy way is it you or another person? Kevin is here. God is with me. God is with me. I see you. Rebecca John. Akulo Uno Worldwide. I see you. And Ike Chuku. I see you. Frank Ibe. Paddy. I think Anthony. I see you. All of you. Lord, Luwai. Liwachuku. I don't know what you mean by that. Lewachuku. Is it Lewachuku or something like that? Chibweze, I see you. Now, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Margaret is here because yes, Malafia. Thank you so much, Asatina, for that name. Thank you. I read Malafia. Yes, even Adobe is. Thank you for the correction. He demanded that Christians, not even Nigerians, that Christians should sit at home. It's gonna come home. Don't worry. This nonsense. The thing is that they are choosing to learn it the hard way. That's the problem, and they don't know. You know, by this time, 2021, if anybody have told you that Nigerians from North, there will be a time they will come out to record themselves and say, let us go out and pray and protest for mass mechanical release. Nobody would have believed that. It is a gradual process. But why we are actually talking? Because even if nobody wants to talk about Biafra now and just keep quiet, the revolution will still come. The separation will still break. So talking is just to facilitate it, to make it happen quicker. The more you keep quiet, the more you pretend, the more the whole thing will escalate. That is gospel, whether you like it or not. What you are seeing now, they are protesting and receiving tear gas. After this, by the time it is done on Nigerians, that there's no way you protest, they will still come and test what Biafra have done. That's why Biafra is ahead of them. They will still come back to demand for sit at home. Imagine if they shut down sit at home. That is what, every country have what suit them. Just like a human being. Some of us may have, chest out. Some may have, a kind of who believe as a lady or something like that. That kind of thing. When you want to buy clothes, maybe if you go to boutique or want to sew clothes, the reason why they measure your body is because it's good to get what will suit your own body. You cannot just sew a cloth, not because, for example, that because this one I'm saying is women. Okay, Isaac, for example, Isaac that is here on comment. I cannot just say maybe because of the clothes that Isaac is wearing. Now I want to wear the same measure. I'm not Isaac. I have to get the one that suits my own body structure. So you don't just say because Kenyans are protesting or Madagascar are protesting, you want to protest like them. Nigeria is not wired like that. There's no even revolution that some of them are proposing is not gonna work. Why? Tribalism, nepotism, favoritism, all this word. You know what I'm talking about. As a Yoruba man, before they go to protest, they want to check how will it suit my tribe? Are they protesting because my brother is on the seat? Are they protesting because my brother is IG? Even though when they know that this is injustice, very, very clear before them, they want to wait until no. If I protest now, it will be that as if I'm against my brother. Let my brother come down, then we cannot protest. The only tribe would have just make it very easy. If any woman become president, the tendency of protesting is very, very, very high. Because if women don't care. That's why they say you don't love yourself. Some of them are mocking us. But that is what the system actually deserved. A people that don't care much about their tribe. It will give you a very good quality leadership. And the service will be very, very superb. If you man happen to be the one like nothing has happened today, Nigeria wouldn't have been the way it is now. Yeah, I know if you're not Igbo people, you think that I'm bragging, but it's not true. Because our people are always, out to attack our own. That we always keep on, that will always, push the government to understand that nobody's backing you. Igbo man will be the one leading the protest, leading the revolution. Nothing else will not do that. They will check who are actually calling for this protest. Is he a Christian or a Muslim? That alone will shut down the idea. Yoruba will be like, no, not now that is our turn. You understand? So there's no way revolution will come. But with the whole thing going on now, with the hunger, taxation, tear gassing people, shooting people, unalive people, and all that, is going to metaphors to them start calling for sit at home. You see all those people that was bragging on social media, ranting and insulting people for calling for sit at home. PM is where it is today, not because of another thing. They started creating all these crazy stories because PM maintains sit at home. Sit at home, my people, nothing more. Sit at home. They fought him with everything. Where is Uche Chikana, who spent her time traveling to Finland, meeting with Asali Tokobo, meeting with allegedly, but the one with some camera is meeting with Bianco Ono. Where's Bianco Ono today? These are people hiding, thinking that once you keep Mason Kanu there and once they die, it will just die off. It will teach people lesson. Let me remind you people, this issue of the teachings of Mason Kanu and the issue of Biafra have gone beyond taking someone's life to create fear in the minds of people. You guys are not understanding. You guys are not. You guys don't understand. You actually believe that once you eliminate Mazen Kanu or take him out from the picture, somehow everybody will be panicking. I don't want to talk about Biafra anymore. You must be a joker. The more you're doing that, the more you're actually activating the radical spirit in every Biafran. if you have idea or sense at all, Mass Nnamdi's life should be very, very, very careful. Otherwise, I'm not threatening anybody. I'm not telling what I can see. What I can see. Most of you that are not even talking now will be later, you will lead that kind of thing, which I don't want to call them. I don't want to mention. Most of you today that see Masokan as enemy, because the spirit is moving. It's moving like a ikukukuru. It's moving. You may even think you don't know when he possesses you. And some of you, if he comes, if you don't manage it well, it will still leave you. You will be thinking that you will stay the way you were. No. Once the spirit leave you, once you abandon it, abandon you. You can't do anything. So if you are thinking that like when I see the stupid guy called Udele, when I see him yapping nonsense, a well-certified Fulani man, well-registered, I challenge him to bring his DNA. I don't mind using my platform to 6 months begging for money online for Udele to go and run his DNA. If he doubt me, we do it. He won't be the one choosing the hospital. We will just, his own is to go there. Everything will be open. Everything will be open. Let him run his DNA. Udele is a Fulani man. There's nothing, you can't tell me otherwise. Well, Fulani man. And I have said it here on this platform, I'm going to say it again. If you're a woman having something to do with maybe an officer, a policeman, DPO, a sergeant working in maybe a 2D, or maybe in what is this barrack in the Imo State and all that. If you are one of those, working as a side chick to an officer, and you got pregnant for that child, that man, my advice to you is to mark that your child. I'm not saying you should abort the child, but mark that your child. Let the even the Igbo and make sure no for also stop bringing vultures in the midst of people. But then is a product of a side chick. Many of them bearing Igbo names and all that. We know all those things. By their action, you know. Anyway, let's continue. Please, if you are just joining us, make sure you like the video. All right, let's move to another thing. You hear somebody is telling them that God will punish you. God will punish you now. God will punish you now. Hey. I hope that the owner of the platform will not take this video down. And we are just reacting on it. I'm not I hope they're not gonna take it down, but they don't like to see anything. This is a live broadcast, so I'm afraid that they may take it down, my people. So I'm not gonna play some of them, because once they see this ammo tank and everything, then according to the owner of the platform, they will tell you that you are trying to market arms and whatever, which we are not here. Please understand me on that. Understand me on that. Everything is here. I will from time to time we will refresh to know what is going on. From time to time, we'll refresh to know what is going on. So, oh my goodness, Allah Ejimako is not free now. He's in their custody. one Nigerian is meant and big scam. Mazakai Biafran Biafra like is like a burning fire. That's what they want to say. That can never be stopped. That's migrate or defeated. That is it. 2013. Most of them that they actually think that they want to get Biafra, they are nowhere to be found. Some of them have turned to Sabo. Some of them have turned Sabo now as we speak. Some of them have turned Sabo. And they are turned Sabo not because of any other thing, but because they think that why would I get to this far, and I am no longer, they don't regard me anymore, is a problem to them. So they see that as a problem. So a man injured as police fire tear gas at the passerby during protest crackdown. Let me watch the videos first so that we'll be sure. Although I've seen that video before, but I'm scared of showing something that has like blood or something like that. I'm scared of that. Breaking police brutalize, arrest Nnamdi Kano's lawyer, brother, and at Freemason Kano protest. Okay. I think this one, let's share. This is just 36 minutes ago. Update from Sahara Reporter. Let me share that one immediately, because we are going to spend some time now, all right, just to try to cover anything that we manage to get hold of on social media. We can just present it to you. And do you think that this protest will continue? Do you think it's going to continue? I doubt. Like I told you, some people actually believe that this protest will lead, they will push it to major revolution. No, I don't believe that. Triple M is here with us. I see you. Good morning to you. I don't think so, my people. I don't think so that they're going to, it will metaphors to mega revolution. No, it's not going to happen. I don't see that coming. Not that it's not possible, but I don't see it coming for many reasons. Okay, as we can see on your screen now. Okay, you are not seeing that yet. Just a moment. You're not seeing that yet. So this is what we are what we are hearing from Sahara Reporter. You can see it. Freemason Ghana man injured as police fire tear gas at passers-by during protest crackdown. Now, just few minutes or few seconds they started the protest. They have started firing tear gas and arresting people for protesting. One Nigeria quit. Protest, protest, not robbery, not anything. And do you actually think that this will move to mega revolution? The answer is no. Breaking: police brutalize Nnamdi Kano. Police brutalize and arrest Nnamdi Kano's lawyer, brother, at Free Nnamdi Kano's protest in Abuja. You get the point. So Nnamdi Kano's brother has been arrested. They have arrested him simply because he's protesting for the release of his own brother. Wow, what a country! What a country! And this Chako, the Lazuba's leader, because he's now, this is one that Lazuba is working for. Although later today, I'm coming live again to respond to Lazuba. She said something yesterday that I will come back to that. Anyway, I don't support Igbo section. Igbo man needs Nigerian and vice versa. We are in everybody's village. We can't be intolerant. So look, they can go. You see, when Mazamagano said that, there was one of Mazamagano's broadcast. They asked him, "Don't you think that this thing you are doing this we are doing, it will actually, put the life of the business of Igbo, put the peoples in the north, the life of Igbo's businessmen and women in the north, those living in the northern part of Nigeria, it will put their life in problem. And Masakano responded by telling them that no, those in the north are the one putting our life in problem. This is part of it. And when you reason along, I think that Masakano said this when PM interviewed him. You remember? During the time PM interviewed Masakano, I think that it was not. I think that was where he made that comment. I can't remember, but just having in mind that Masakano made a comment like that. That those in the north are the one putting our life in problem, not vice versa. Because they often tell you that this is you are doing. Remember your people living in the north. Let them come back. Let them come back. Let them come back. If you must live in the north, how many of them are living in in Boko Haram dominated area? How many of them are doing their business before Boko Haram? Were they not living in those places? They were living there, doing their business, right? But the emergence of Boko Haram have changed their business structure. So we almost struggle in life because we have somebody that answer Okichuku, Amaka, Uche. Somebody that bears Igbo name, that claim to be Igbo, from Anambra, from Enugu, from Ebonyi, from Abia, Imo, from River, from Delta, that live in the north doing business. Therefore, we must all be enslaved. We must all beg for food. We must struggle from generation to generation because they have 2x2 shop somewhere in Kaduna. They have, even if they have mega business, even if they have Ochanda market in Kano, Kaduna, it doesn't matter. A professor is reminding you that we need each other vice versa. We need each other vice versa. That we should just understand, be accommodative, accommodate your brother, your sister. A professor. Anyway, let me move to another thing. All this thing is just something that when you begin to think about what is going on and how these people actually want you to live your life, you understand that this one is going plain. Now wow. Anyway, that's not why we are here. That's not why we are here. So let me bring it down until we have another thing. Triple said, when you see some of Igbo Efulefu saying we are living in all corner of Nigeria, my question is, those living there, how do they feel? My brother, I don't even get how you feel. So I must die because you are living. Because you want to live somewhere. Like seriously, I must be the one receiving the punishment because of your business somewhere. I have people that I know that live there, but I cannot do it because of them. The only thing I can tell you as a brother, somebody to share my love with you, is that advice to come back home. Just to think about it, then just try your best and relocate. That is the only thing to show that truly I care for you. But you see all these stories, I'm not a fan of that. Not at all. Not at all. There's a post of Udele, which I would love to share with you. Let me see if I can open that post now. If your job, there's no two ways about it. Your job. Please make sure you like the video. If you have not, do me a favor by clicking on the like button. I know that some people will not be happy that, seeing Show already the way he was running. I know some people will be like, why is he running? But like I said, I don't actually care about that. I don't actually care about that. If you want to, if you don't know how difficult it is to do what Show is doing, maybe you are just new to the whole thing. Maybe you are just new. Maybe you are just new to the whole thing. But if you are not new, I think you should understand better. This is from Facebook. This is from Facebook. Let's see. Is my voice coming out? Can you hear my voice? Okay. Somebody said yes. Good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Because I just click on something, so I want to confirm that. So this video, I think we are going to come back to this video. This one is I'm looking for the current one. I'm looking for the current one. I'm looking for the current one.
Many years I have spoken for you. I have spoken against those that spoke against you.
No. Okay. Good morning. Protest today will not go anywhere. There will be another protest. There will be another protest when they have started arresting people. I don't know. Are you aware of that? They have arrested Aloy Ejimako and many and Mazamagano's brother. So do you think that your protest you continue? I don't know. Maybe, but we shall see. We shall see. Although normally protest is like that, they will try to put fear in you. But like I said, Nigeria is not united to protest together. That's my own point. That's where my point is coming from. I don't think they will continue. I doubt. I doubt.
Guys, every I don't choke. Hey, come on. Police are shooting tear gas. They are shooting tear gas, so they are shooting tear gas. Guys, every I don't choke. Hey, come on.
So you can see that video is a live video. That video is a live video. Part of one of the things that happened there. One of the things that happened there today. They're shooting tear gas. They're shooting tear gas. But when people say sit at home, some people don't understand. This is one of the reasons. Udele is, on the other hand, promoting hate, because that is a primary job, promoting hate on Igbo people. he can't do without promoting hate. That's what he knows how to do best. That is the job of Udele. That is the job of Udele. Promoting hate. I want you to hear this. That's why I told you that he is a Fulani man. Well certified Fulani man. You cannot call on me this. I cannot call on me at all. Get this story so that you understand. The man that you are this one here, let me put it very well. This man that you are going to hear from now, this man, this very one, is a Yoruba man. Okay? He is a Yoruba man, and he says something which I would like to throw more light on. Just pay attention to his first words. His first two words.
Dear Igbo people, for many, many years I have spoken for you.
Dear Igbo men or women, dear Igbo people, right? For so many years, I have been spoken for you. I'm going to take it back again.
Dear Igbo people, for many, many years I have spoken for you.
Okay.
I have spoken against those that spoke against you.
Okay.
First of all, you are my brothers and sisters. Second of all, I see the energy, I see the creativity. But the truth is, you cannot keep crying wolf all the time. You cannot be victims all the time. The people of South Africa cannot be complaining about the same thing the people of Dubai are complaining about, and Kenyans are complaining about, and now Ghanaians are complaining about. That means there's something you are doing wrong.
Hold it there. This is, you know what? You know one thing I want to understand. Typical Yoruba people, they always have a way of letting you know that they actually care for you. They have done this for you before. So each time they say the truth about you, they're saying it for a day like this. Are you getting my point? They're saying it for a day like that's why if you see, listen, I'm not here to promote ethnic hate or pushing tribalism. Definitely, I see you. Olewe, you're welcome. I'm not trying to push fake information or anything. No, I just want to understand something. Once they promote you or say something that you like, they know that you're gonna like it. They're aware of what you're saying. They know that somehow this one will gladden your heart. You will like this, okay? And they're not saying something about you that is fake. They are just saying what you are and who you are, which is very, very excellent. That you are hardworking people. You guys are very industrious. You guys don't joke with the business. You guys are not known for laziness. You guys are very, very, you guys are fearless. Anywhere you go, you perform. You guys are very, very, calculative. You guys can turn. You guys are good at turning water to wine. Not that kind of thing. Those words is very good, and judging by the resilience of Igbo people. Then he's saying those things, believing that when he would now bring, the negative part or the evil, bad part or propaganda against you, that you should also accept it because he has been saying something nice about you in the past. Remember, there was a time Kemi Oluloya, Kemi was saying very good things about Biafrans then. And once they're saying it and you are actually dancing to that, you are praising the person because they know that this guy, do you guys love this? One day, what they are known for will be activated. And what is that? They will see this your goodies, this thing that you are doing, which they themselves have admitted at some point. At some point, they have admitted that you are actually hardworking, you are very good, you are industrious, you are this, you are that. They have admitted it. So, but a day will come. A day will come when they will see those things as not even an advocacy, that you guys are very proud of yourself. To them, it become an issue. And because of that, they will turn around and begin to say something differently from what they used to say about you. Kemi was more Biafran than Biafrans then. Thank you, Amajichi Gose. You understand? Kemi was very, very vocal. Then Biafrans was, oh, wow, wow, wow. The same Kemi started calling Biafran Biafraud. The word Biafraud that some of them are using now, the person that created it is Kemi Oruloyo. Kemi, who is the one, I hope I pronounce that surname very well. Is it Oruloyo or Orulayo? I don't know. I'm not the Yoruba person, please pardon me. Kemi is the one that invented that word, Biafraud. This is a woman that used to sing praises of everything about Biafra. Like Amachi Goze have said here, let me bring your message up. That Kemi was more Biafran than Biafrans. But when the whole thing, she couldn't stand it anymore, or you go up in the propaganda. Why you guys are this, you guys are that. She started insulting everybody. Not one, not two. All right? She's the one that later said that Mas Nnamdi is no more, because Mas Nnamdi exposed the Buhari's double face. Kemi make that in personal. She started saying all manner of nonsense against Mas Nnamdi and Biafrans. So what I'm trying to tell you is that, you see, this guy is not the first. He's not the first. Okay? Now, there was a time wounded civilian was talking about Biafran more than Biafrans. He said, even Aisha Yusuf does the same. Thank you. Wounded civilian was very, very vocal. If you know, like that's why Neche why he's such on that church. In 2013, 2013, wounded civilian his platform was number one, advocating for Biafra. In terms of like YouTube page or Facebook page, sorry, a page that is for Biafra, that advocate for Biafra and marginalization of Igbo people. Number one platform then was wounded civilian. If the guy comes live, Biafrans will be there calling. He always get tired of answering calls because Biafrans, everybody was following him. People were in love with what he was doing and all that. When he noticed that he's part of Bini, he's not going to be in the map of Biafran, then Biafran become a fraud. Do you understand it now? We are here watching now. I want to tell you the truth. Some of you may have not even listened to Master. You may not even know anything about Master as of that time. Some of you may not even know what Biafran is all about. You don't even, you may be one of those that were even against Master Makan then. But today, you are advocating for Biafra. Do you understand? So now you tell me why is such a. If you tell me sorry about it, I know the noise is too much, but just manage it, please. You know why is such a now telling everybody that she's this, she's that. Every small thing she will tell you where okay now understand the US because anyway, this man we're about to watch now, what he said is in line with what we used to know. I used to hear that. So watch.
It's not like these people are having meetings and speaking. And if you look carefully. The same thing these Ghanaians are crying about is the same things the Yoruba people were crying about. That you people left your eastern part, you've come to Lagos and you're saying Lagos is a neutral ground. Lagos belongs to everybody. You people need to be more, whilst you are very strong and creative and you have the energy to go, you need to be more sensitive to the energies or the environment in which you go to. You don't believe your papas, come my own papas, come they tell me say my papas, so you feel overdo me. Even if you can overdo me, don't put it to my face. And you know what hurts me? Some of your adults that are sending me DM, be like saying that the place. I'm speaking not because I care like that. I'm speaking because me and you share the same passport. And these countries do not have if you are Igbo or Yoruba. They treat all of us the same. If you talk about Igbo land, you must be mad. Old man, they tell you if you talk about Igbo neighbor, you will face. Instead of you to call your children together, speak to them. You people have this energy to go and succeed. But succeeding also comes with energies that people hate. You need to understand that when you drive and drive, people naturally hate that. Of course you succeed everywhere you go. But your success can be blinding, it can be irritating. So maybe you should go and work on that.
So I don't know if you are following what this guy. So his problem is that yes, he admits that you are succeeding. He admits that you are very hardworking. He admits that you can go anywhere and you conquer. But he said, remember that the more you are succeeding, the more you attract enemy. So, in other words, for you not to attract enemy, you should not succeed. You should go and advise your children how not to succeed. That's typically what this guy is saying. So you that is envious of someone that is succeeding, and the person that is working hard to succeed, who should adjust attitude? Who should adjust his or her attitude? Is it me that is succeeding, or you that have problem that I'm succeeding? I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. And speaking of that, people in South Africa is complaining about the same problem that the Ghanaians are complaining about you. That is the same thing that people from Dubai are complaining about you. That's the same thing Yorubas are complaining about you. The question is it only Yorubas that are complaining about the attitude? How about the Northerners? Northerners don't complain about the Igbo attitude. I don't think so. I have not seen a Northerner that said that Igbo people, why I hate them because they are succeeding. Their own is to tell you that you should just convert to Islam. But Yorubas have issue with that. Even though they know that your problem, the problem which they claim they are seeing from Igbo people has nothing to do with any ethnic issue. You said that you are speaking not because you actually care much, but the problem is that the only thing that you share passport with Igbos, and nobody should Igbo people should not tell you to stop talking about Igbo land, stop talking about Igbos. But I thought your problem now is because Igbos are talking about Lagos. So you talking about Lagos, you have issue with it, but you talking about Igbos, people should not have issue with that. In another story. Now let's continue. I just want you to understand what is going on, because this is the way how they roll. This is how they roll. Hear this. Now let's hear from this ghost, one of the useless human being ever. Just hear what he has to say. Though his own voice is very, very down. Then after this, I will show you some comments that will help you to understand what I'm saying.
Like this, my brother just said, how could Cameroonians, but they are complaining to Senegalese, Malians, Gabonese, Togolese, Benin, South Africans, Kenya, Uganda, Ghanaians, how could they complain about this? I don't think it's hatred. blacklist that I told you would become. Former allies have turned on you to the point you don't go anywhere to. Now well done. Clap for yourselves. You people are everywhere. And
You know, this is just this is one of the things that Nigerians have actually done to everybody. I know people are. Please, if the noise is too much, you let me know so I will end it because I can see the views rapidly dropping. If the noise is let me actually say it. If it's too much, please let me know. I will end the live broadcast because the noise is too much from my end as well. Okay. Please, can you confirm? Is it should we continue? Yes. Elvis, I will share link. Okay, I will share link. Just a moment. I will share after this video. Now I will drop the link. Okay. But I want to confirm if it is manageable. Okay. Ako, thank you so much. Thank you for you. At least you have responded. Okay, thank you. Now, so ndị na-apụ hapụ agodi. Ndị na-apụ agodi. Now, the thing is this. This guy you are seeing here, he's trying to tell you that Cameroonians, everybody that the Igbos will become worse in Africa and all that. This ghost. After using the name of Igbo Chukwu Kofebu, you went to Libya. Allegedly, I wasn't there, but people that went there with you in Libya have complained that your job there is to he said don't want na Libya. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. He said don't mind. You use Igbo name, you travel abroad. What did you do in Libya? What did you do personally? What did you do in Libya? You went to Libya. What was your job in Libya? You went to Turkey. What was your job in Turkey? The audio evidence is there. People know your work. Victims, his own victims, complained. They have complained about it. The conversation is out there. It is out there. But he's one telling you how to be decent. Even before he traveled to Libya, I was told that he have a criminal case in Anambra. This guy you're in Afia. Yet, on a immigrant mother. And for Yoruba man telling you that in Dubai, that you guys are the problem. In Kenya, you are the problem. Last time I checked, I have not seen. If you check people that face na Saudi Arabia, even in Dubai, Yoruba people outnumber that of Igbo. Okay, so no tribe in Nigeria is a crime free. Even the Fulanis, the Northerners, are facing Igbo Makahike. They are facing it. They are facing it. Do you understand? They are facing it. Thank you so much, Margaret. Thank you. God bless you for that. And this guy is here trying to tell you that Igbos are this, Igbos are that. Now hear him again. I know it's very irritating, but please manage it so that you understand. You can now see how we develop that love for Udele. Udele He's here to pay the Fufu woman, no? He's here to pay the. I don't think he has paid the Fufu woman. There is no other way to know that this generation is cursed than this. Coming from a human trafficker. Coming from a human trafficker. Anyway, hear him.
Generation B, keep fooling yourselves. Keep whining yourselves. Anyway, like I told you, we'll be watching people from the same distance when they speak.
Anyway, please forget about this nonsense. Let me see how will I bring this. Just a moment. Let's see if you can. I'm trying to expand the comment. Okay. Now this is the comment that got caught my attention. This particular comment caught my attention. I don't know. Is it readable from your end? Yes, I think it's readable from your end. Let me remove this comment from Magic Chigozen. Okay. Now let's go through this comment. This guy said the tribe that cried wolf or something. I dey wait the book, I beg, because that he's going to launch his book very soon. And the book will be the title will be The Tribe That Cried Wolf or something. I dey wait the book, I beg, like always. Tell my Igbo brothers, we have 3 lions in Nigeria: Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo. The toothless lion, and Igbo, the toothless. Okay, we have 3 lions: Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. The toothless lion, I don't know which of them is toothless lion. He said, "We Calabar." This is the part that made me to say, okay. That's why I said I have to share the comment because of this part. He said, "We Calabar people have been complaining our Igbo brothers for decades, but now the truth they come out small. The most disgusting thing is that the Igbos always see others inferior, even in their own people's, even in the other people's land." Okay, I understand this. I understand this is a hard pill to swallow, and as an Igbo man full of pomposity and pride, some of you won't agree. You get the point? Now, if you notice this, the problem this guy have here, they always tell you that pomposity, you guys are too proud. But they have not said that you are proud for nothing. They get it. They have not said you are proud for nothing. But to them, you are too proud. You are too arrogant. You guys are this. And that is why they want to show you. You know, if you are to go to your house and do it. Go to your house and do it. This is spirit of jealousy. We all know that once you have problem with them, like if you allow them to continue yapping nonsense like this, they will just want you not to succeed. So for you to be a good person, you must not succeed. Then you become a very good, hardworking person. Do you understand? Then you become a very good person. The number one thing they don't want is you succeeding. If you succeed, is a problem. Now, some of them made some comments. Some of them replied, and this one, he said, "No, this is another Igbo. Though many of our people are always like that." Is a Chibuzo said, "This is a serious matter Igbo should put into consideration. Yes, success attracts hatred. Igbo are especially made to have wisdom, strength, and innovation, and social. All these attract hatred from other tribes. How does some of us acquire those words that brought Mkpọrọgọnụ, I don't know what you mean by that. Mkpọrọgọnụ, that's a kind of I think what he's trying to say here, but though I don't know, I think this should be her dialect. A kind of complaint. Okay? I think that the meaning of this should be complaint. He said, it is not that other tribes are sent, but because of hatred, the Igbos are labeled bad influence. Wherever they reside, he said, how truthful is this? Our genuine interaction is what some of us needed to look into. Truth cannot be buried because when the time comes, it must surely erupt. The truth is that some of us always want to give this kind of energy that we deserve to be, we deserve it. We need to, be careful of what we do. Hatred means good morning, Kai. Thank you, Oyekachikalo. I am watching from Biafra land. Dalo, my brother. Nice to have you. Why is it that some of us always want to validate this kind of thing? Why? Some of us want to validate this kind of thing. Validating it simply means, that what they are saying is true. And that is what this woman is trying to say here. You understand the truth, because all of them want you to reduce your efforts, just reduce your achievement. Do not achieve much. Just stop it. We don't want it. How can you do that because somebody don't want you to succeed? How can you do that? Does it make any sense? To me, it doesn't make any sense. I don't think it's a good idea. I should just descend too low so that I will feel, so that you will feel belonged. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't make any sense to me, and I cannot be a party to that. There is no way I will be a party to that. Anyway, let's continue. Let's continue. There's another comment. I think there's one from Yoruba people that I want to share with you. There's one from Yoruba tribe. Yoruba people, what they said. He said, as long as Igbo are not hated by God, this is what somebody said. Okay, one of our brothers said this, and they also responded to him. But from the guy from Calabar, if you, as a Calabar person, it's not anybody's fault that you refuse to work hard. The Calabar people are not lazy. Okay, if Yorubas are complaining about it, like Afonja, not even every Yoruba, if they are complaining about it, I can understand. But you, as a Calabar person complaining, you are just doing yourself. He said, God will bless you, my brother. Okay, Calabar. This is a Yoruba person. Olayede said, Yoruba, Hausa, other tribes are so accommodating, except Igbo, with arrogancy behaviors, by seeing other tribes as in various that led them to the problem. By seeing other tribes as virus. I don't know what by that. That led to the problem they are facing today, and they should start suffering. You cannot suffer Igbo people because of that. The more you do, the more you yourself will pay dearly, directly or indirectly. That's just the fact. This person said, it is easy to make blanket statements about any group of people, but it is much wiser to ask you why such perception exists before repeating them. The truth is, from the very beginning, the Igbo people have been blessed with resilience, creativity, and the ability to turn little into plenty with We strive wherever we go. Okay, build success out of challenges. That kind of gift naturally attracts admiration in some, and unfortunately, jealousy in others. Like every other society, we have our share of individuals who don't represent our best values, but that is truth for every ethnic group. So rather than focusing on hate, it is asking what is it about our strength that stirs such strong feeling in others. Because history shows no matter the opinion of others, the Igbo spirit keeps rising. So all this thing is what you see when you are being hated for no reason. I think let me just take it down and move to another thing. But what I'm trying to tell you is that the hate is always there, but that hate is, to me, Igbos are not the one to adjust, their behavior. Igbos are not the one that's supposed to adjust their behavior. I think the hatred and everything, according to what I'm seeing now, is just because of envy, a way of showing that they are not happy with anything going on. That is just a fact. That is gospel. Anyway, make sure you like the video as we proceed. Make sure you like the video. Let us go. Let us check another, if there's any update so far. Let us check if there's any update so far from what is going on in Abuja. Now, somebody said I should share the link. I forgot that, to be honest with you. Please, if you are still here, let me share the link. If you are still interested to join me, the link will be shared now. And I expect all of you. That our brother that asked for that link, I don't think, because your face is not regular. Maybe you are no more. Maybe if you are still here, the link is here. You can follow me. You can join me now. If you are still there, you can join me now. While we are waiting for an update. I'm watching from Biafra land. Okay, Kachikalo. I don't even know why my... Okay, let me go to live chat. All right. So the link is pinned. The link is pinned here. So you can follow the link and join me. Say connect Abuja Kai. I'm trying my best to do that, my brother. I try to.
Active in the face of.
Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. Elvis, I see you. You're welcome.
If okwu ikwulita n'ụtụtụ a kịta,
Yeah.
ọ bụrụ ihe mmụọ kwesịrị, ọ bụrụ ihe bụ nsogbu anyị kịta dị ya, mana o sokwa n'okwu a na-ekwu. Ị na na na-ekwu, o so n'ihe a na-ekwu.
Yes.
Because a na-ekwu nwanne ya. Ị na na-ekwu.
Yes, I'm even
Okay, o nwere one circulate video na-agagharị mana adịghị m sure na efu gị ya.
Okay.
Ị na na-ekwu. me Kelena TV unya kado yes Kelena TV at kanyanya abuna bo Kelena emano gentle lion kanyiria unya
Okay.
ihe mmeji wee like ya ka inweta ya nwa chọrọ inye m tap nọmba na nna ahụ achọrọ m ka nyekwa gị vidiyo anwa nye gị vidiyo anwa play kwuo ya biko tie ya na nke anyị na-ekwu na the reason is this ndị Yoruba need ije gba mbọ and Yoruba man need to go and do what hustle to become just like him. Number one,
right.
I stand here to be that's why I begin to speak in another dialect so that somebody that is not an Igbo man will listen to me. Huh?
My brother, before you got ne WhatsApp number member.
Okay. So what happened? Walk it out. Mba, chere nwanne m, chere. Mmenye gị akịta, nye gị akịta, I will join you back in this. I stand to be corrected.
Yes.
This is only chance I have. I don't have a platform like this. The one I have, they stole my phone and I could not get it back. And since then, I remain, they shut me up. You see, every Yoruba man that follows Igbo man always make it. I have one here, just called me now. I tell that man that I am in protest today. I will not go to any work. Since I could not make Abuja today, I will never go any work. That is what I tell that man. The man today begin to have money, begin to make things, make money because he follow Igbo people's step. I swear to God Almighty, this man is just working only radiator, motor radiator. In a
yes, I'm living there.
Today, he become millionaire. He have gone to Mecca and come back. He's a legend now. He make money. Do you know why I love him most? He's not even like Yoruba man. Because whenever you see him, he's not here to make you something that will give you pain in your body or physical problem. You know, he grow happiness in doing anything evil to his fellow Yoruba man. Believe me. So where do we get all this hate of Igbos from? I don't know. Anywhere we go, we'll make money because things we see that will give us that money. You may see it as the one nonsense. Then when Igbo man come there, so what are you so envy of Igbo? Now there is something I want to give you. Let me take this your number. I want to forward something in your WhatsApp. Please treat the two together because they are the same thing. Treat the two the same time. As you bring up the comment, please, I would want you to also bring this that I want to give to you now on this screen so that the whole world may see it. We are not the problem. The people hate us. As somebody they hate, what do you need to do? You need to do one thing, just like let's come together and make sure we move back to our land. Only I'm going to 5 states, I swear to Almighty God, more 20, 30 years. If they will look for us. Small place in a pool power. Now for you.
I know.
You know how we made up from. After the war, we know how we. But now can we 13 good years, Kamba boy, Onya Nambara, Onya 1 naira. I suffered a lot of things. Trauma. Today, I become a mechanical engineer. Okay, I'm now where you were there last year. Will I make what I make from? Oh my God! See, please, just you need to be hardworking. Stop all this nonsense enviness. It will not take you anywhere. Please let me do the video. Treat this to then we will go and join the protest. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. All right. So let's go to watching from America. Veronica, you're welcome. You're welcome, Veronica. So this is an update from Abuja as well, as you can see here. So, like I said, I have to be careful with the gunshots, so to avoid issues. So this is the people holding placards, marching in protest, and breaking many fences. Others injured as police cracked down on Freeman Americanos rally, tear gas or traders, protesters at Abuja Market. All right, that is update from Sahara. As we are waiting for more updates, of course. So some of you asking me to hook up to any platform like that. I get in a while, you know. So let us just do it little by little. But the link is here. Like I said, please, if you want to join me, you can join me as well while we are waiting for more updates to come. While we're waiting for more updates, you can join me as well. You can join me. The link is out there. So that our brother was asking me to put link. You know, one thing about our people is that they always want something to happen, to happen their own way. As in why if I see you, they always want people to just do it the way I want. They don't care about the procedure, the template of what you are doing. In the midst of an analysis, somebody will ask you to put a link. If you don't put it that moment, the person will get feel bad or will be angry about it and all that. So, but I understand. If you don't know how the whole thing is being done, maybe you mistake everything. Let's just take it easy. So let's wait for more updates. Then we'll bring it up. We want 3 minutes. Arewa group join call for Masamacano's release. Okay. Just a moment. Today is Masamacano's day, so everybody's.
Good afternoon, Nigerians. My name is Comrade Atiku Issa, the National President of NANS. I'm here to address you today on the planned protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As the National President of NANS, on the day of my inauguration, some touts led by Olugbenga Adeyeye, Olushola Ladoja, Lukman Salahuddin, Babatunde Akinteye, known as Bapti, came with machetes and took me away. And I was later arrested by the Department of State Services. While in their custody, I stayed close to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I realized that he is a man of great passion and love for all Nigerians, irrespective of where you come from. He helped me while I was in detention, gave me valuable advice, and stood by me. And today, I am a free man. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is somebody I know very well. He has been unlawfully detained by the government because he hates injustice. And we must stand with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I urge all Nigerians to come out on the 20th of October to protest and ensure that he is released. If bandits and criminals will sit with government representatives with their guns and still go back to go and kidnap, humiliate, maim Nigerians, I see no reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should continue to be in detention. Let us all come out. It is not the fault of these criminals in government that people are suffering today, but because people have become docile. They accept anything, and that is why these people will continue to humiliate those docile Nigerians. Let us all come out en masse. The power of unity is stronger than the power of those in government. Let us not be afraid of anything, because I believe that life can only be worthy of living if living is to the fullest. We must demand for justice and ensure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. Thank you very much. I remain Comrade.
All right. All right. And some people don't understand that Mazi Nnamdi is for everybody. Some will tell you, no, jail him, put him there. He's trying to divide the country. It's not about dividing the country. It's about doing that which will protect even you in the north, even you in the west. He just shared his own experience with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, how he was arrested, and he happened to be close to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention. And Mazi Kanu was like a brother to him. You understand? So please click on the like button, like the video, very, very important. Click on that. Click on that. While we are still waiting to some of the video is here is we have played it already. So I don't want to start repeating the same thing over and over again. You understand? It will make sense. But this arresting Alo Ejimako, that one did not go down well with me. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court case, when there's Mazi Kanu will come to court, does it mean that Alo Ejimako is not going to be there? Or let's see if they will release him though. What is trending now is the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's brother, together with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which is, remember that today, police in Abia State, in Imo State, sorry, called for Wazurike. They asked Wazurike to come and answer. Armstrong, I see you. You're welcome. We have somebody in the studio. You're welcome. Hello. Can you hear me? Michael, you're
Hello.
welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you. I can hear you.
Good morning.
Okay. Yes.
Good morning to you.
Okay. Yes. Um. Am I coming out?
Yes, you are coming out. We can hear you. Your voice is very,
Am I
very clear.
coming?
Yeah, I think you are trying to. Can you
Okay.
just turn down the volume where you are watching from, so that you'll be able to just talk as if you are on call with me.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
wait.
Okay.
You are waiting
Thank
for
you
your
very
voice to
much.
come out. Just turn down the volume where you are watching from, so that you
No
can
problem.
hear
No
me
problem.
direct. Turn it down. Turn it down.
Okay. I'm hearing you now. I'm hearing you very well.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So, Kai, thank you very much. You're trying, my brother.
You're welcome.
I want to thank everybody in the studio. So, talking about what is happening, especially the protest.
Mm,
The government is not caring for anybody. The police have that are arresting and handling people. Tinubu has bought all their barracks in Lagos and pursued them away from barracks. So right now they are suffering, but I don't know why they cannot they cannot think well. I don't know why they cannot think of their life, because I know right now during the election they were paid very well. Gave them money and they what he beat them to do to manipulate the election and everything. So after
mm,
the election, now he now pursued them away from barracks. So now they are Mahalan protesters. Let
mm.
them let them think twice, because even their own day is still coming.
I'm a one.
Nobody can predict. Nobody can predict. So I want to use this opportunity to thank our DPM, Dr. Ngozi Rabese, and
Mm,
all the Biafrans. I don't know if USB was not declared, I don't know what would have happened to people, because there is no other solution. Freedom is the only solution.
exactly.
So I know there's no way Nigeria there's no way Nigeria will come to regional government. It's not possible. So let us continue in what we are doing. God will finally give us victory.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Thank you, my brother.
Ọtakọ ha. So Chineke gọzie gị. Ihe m na-agwa gị bụ jide nke iji, anakwa n'azụ.
Udode.
Anakwa n'azụ. Aṅakwana
Udode.
aṅakwana aṅakwana ndị otu na ndị ọjọọ ntị. Ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu?
I'm a living day. Thank you,
Ehe.
my brother.
So ee, maka na
Udode. Udode.
eh, eh, I want to tell you something. Okay, for
Right.
USB,
Mm-hmm.
maybe they don't know a lot of people are there, but they are not getting information. We're not getting information. So I have
Mm,
a lot of people here that I try to give information. I'm calling from Lagos, so most of the time I try to come in, and maybe network or something will happen. So I want you to encourage them, let them enlarge their tentacles concerning social media, because
mm,
our people, a lot of our people are here and they are waiting. So the other time I was trying to get information. It was through other Ramad. I get information from. her platform. But when she derailed, I couldn't hesitate to run away from her. So now I know Kalina is also doing well. You are doing well. We thank God for you people and the other people that I also see their posts. So thank you very much. Chukwu
Thank
gozile
you
gị.
so much. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah,
Thank you. All right,
thank you.
let's quickly go to the
Thank you.
updates. There's a video that I would like you to watch from this our brother evangelist Ebuka Joseph. This is, I think he made it posted 2 hours ago. Let's hear. Let us know what's happened here. The video is not responding. Wait.
Life right now in Abuja. So and the Master can
Wait.
lawyer and other people, both bishop, they are trying to do protests right now as I'm talking to you.
The video is jumping from place to place.
Throw them tear gas. Watch the video. Watch the video. This is what is happening.
The video is jumping from place to place. I have to make sure that I get it right before.
Today, being 20 of October 2025 in Abuja, Master Nnamdi brother have been arrested this morning. I don't know why the
So
world is keeping
I
silent.
cannot see anything. Is it from my end?
Igbos are black Jews. During the Biafran war, they slaughter more than 6 million Igbos in Nigeria. And the world is keeping silent over the persecution. Madrid, over how they're persecuting Igbos in this country called Nigeria. This morning, Master Nnamdi brother, he came out.
Okoro, I see you.
Other people that came to do peaceful protests to release Master Nnamdi. Master Nnamdi, they arrested him, they kidnapped him from Kenya. He was kidnapped from Kenya. He was kidnapped from Kenya and put him inside cell. And the world is keeping silent. America is keeping silent. Israel is keeping silent over what the black Jews are going through in Nigeria. How they are maltreating them and persecuting them. Igbos are black Jews. I don't know why Israel and America are keeping silent over what they are doing to Igbos in Nigeria. I don't know why the Israel are keeping silent. I don't know why the America are keeping silent. I don't know why Donald Trump is keeping silent. I don't know why Benjamin are keeping silent over what they're doing to Igbos in Nigeria here. The black Jews, they have been maltreating and persecuting this tribe called Igbos. They slaughtered them. More than 6 million Igbos we are slaughtered in Nigeria. I don't know why the world is keeping silent over what is happening in Nigeria. I don't know why the world is keeping silent over the persecuting and maltreating the black Jews.
So everybody is aware of what happened today. That's just the fact, and it's going to continue. I just pray that look at
right now in Abuja, happening live right now in Abuja this morning, being 20 of October 2025. People cannot come out and do peaceful protests in Nigeria. And you must go for
okay. Just a moment.
And lawyer and other people go to Occupy Nigeria of 20. So one of the biggest in recent history, the answers movement of 2020. Just last year, we saw what happened. I didn't must go for.
So I have to bring it down because, like I told you, we need to be careful about it. Otherwise, they will flag the video instant or even take it down. So to avoid that, you need to just play it little and stop to avoid any complication. And okay, our brother told me that he's gonna send me some clip. I think I received some of the video, and I will go through it.
Yes, they just exploded tear gas. Our eyes and throat. Not a lot, but we're here. We're waiting for our leader. We follow different avenues to enter this nation. We're waiting for our leader. He will come. This protest must go on. Yes, sir. I don't know from what I saw. I know. Okay. Yes, okay. Let's see. I am talking. Emmanuel, can say something. No, it doesn't have to. We're talking. Okay, yes. We're in front of it. Yes, they just exploded tear gas. Our eyes and throat. Not a lot, but Emmanuel, can say something. No, it doesn't have to. We're talking. Okay, yes. We're in front of it. Yes, they just exploded tear gas. Our eyes and throat. Not a lot, but we're here. We're waiting for our leader. We follow different avenues to enter this nation. We're waiting for our leader. He will come. This protest must go on. Yes, sir. I don't know from what I saw. I know. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's see. I am talking. Emmanuel, can say something. No, it doesn't have to. We're talking. Okay. Yes. We're in front of it. Yes. They just exploded tear gas. Our eyes and throat. Not a lot, but we're here. We're waiting for our leader. We follow different avenues to enter this nation. We're waiting for our leader. Now to the will come. This protest must run on. I don't know from what I saw. Okay. Your brother did not go to one place. He's still in prison. I am.
All right. Let me go through the video from okay. Sure, made this one. Sure, made a post. Okay, 3 hours ago. When this one was when? Okay, I don't want to bring old. Okay, let's go through this one again. Just a moment. Just a moment. This is live. This is live. Please like the video, like the video. All right. Unmute your mic. Mama, are you there?
Video niile amara m ka ihe nweta nwe na ya end amara m ka o si wee dị adị adịgo ngidi a
link you sent to my
link mana nwezi nke ọ fịrị arụ ihe mmezi bụ onye onwe okwu ọmanụ kwukwere mgbe tiyiri na aka bụ ofu okwu a ka anyị na-ekwu so n'anya ma m ihe mmemme bụ ndalodizie ya ifu na o tere aka bifọ mbịa ọzọ na ndalodizie ofu anwa tiri ga-etiri so mana ihe na-ewute m na ma m ka o dozili nke plekwe play na ọ tries ya ine ya anya ihe na-eme ka m kwuo n'ebe anụ nwee nwee ihe ọzọ wụ na at least nke sendịrị gị direct as video ị ga-echa ya na iplay ịghọtaghị ya afọ ya mana m try ka mma ka ma download m ebu eni okweghị ọmụ ịghọtago so and I still don't know why ma ọ bụrụ na
send them the link nke na-ekwu ọ ga-download m ma download way from my end
ọ dịcha ebe anwa ọ dịcha ebe ọ dị bụọ
ka anyị gaa through izi kịta
okay mwa ka echi etakwa azụ mana ihe m na-egwu akwụkwọ onye ntị bụ na tata enwere ihe ọzọ eji eme tata bụ ụfọ maazị Nnamdi Kanu ihe ọbụla ha like n'ime ha mee ịghọtago mana ajụjụ nke m nwawụ ọ bụrụ obere ajụjụ m chọrọ ịjụ ebe a ọ bụrụ na ndị gọvanọ nọ rapụ South East wee gaa Abuja ọ ga-abụzi na onye ahụ ahazi gọvanọ again onye anwa ọ nọ ga-abụzi gọvanọ again abịa na North ihe niile bụ gọvanọ niile nọ na North kwekọrịtara na anyị na-akwụ ndị isi ụgwọ ịghọtago na ofu onye ka ha ji ekwu ya tọntọ onye si na ya agaghị eme ya wo erofai and ihe o ji ọ gaghị eme ya bụ na ọ nọghọzi na oche ịghọtago and onye ka o ji wepụta gbaa ha okerike maka ya bụ ọnọdụ ama m ka na-aghọta ọ bụrụ na ndị gọvanọ anyị niile binie wee je Abuja ọ na ha ga-abụzi gọvanọ ka m na-ajụ
Ha ga-abụ gọvanọ.
ọtụtụ ndị Igbo nọ n'akụkụ
Ha ga-abụ
ndị
gọvanọ.
Igbo nọ n'akụkụ ebe ndị Igbo nọ n'akụkụ ebe m nọ m jụbụrụ ajụjụ a bifo ha kwesịrị ịga na ndị gọvanọ ịga Abuja mgbe anụ niile bụ ndị ara nọmba 1 wụ na otego ndị Igbo na-eme ka ihe dị mma na ihe adịbere mma na anyị kwesịrị ihe ọbụla na-eme mmebi anyị ga-etinye aka ka o mebikuzie emebi nọmba 1
My brother.
because ebe ka anyị maa ka obodo a ọ ya adị mma ka anyị niile biri n'ime ya onweghị onye kwere ni ihe ndị ụwa ndị ihe onye ọbụla tasị ya kịta bụ na okwu niile maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru. Nnamdi Kanu does not stand for Igbo man. He stands for humanity. Nnamdi Kanu stand for Yoruba, stand for Hausa, stand for ndị Igbo, stand for Africa at large. Man, I don't know why these people is dumb to the level of you cannot think and fish out something from thinking. And I wonder how they will take care of their family as a man. Since you cannot think now, you cannot think. Can follow only
Even the governor actually Hana told them about Ghana na government, federal government wiki kupo hanoko.
Legodu mbosi anụma chere nwanne m ka mgbawa gị brain cheregodu a country ebe believe ka ya arụ ọrụ n'ụwa a gedo ntị tata bụ fọma maazị Nnamdi Kanu onye ọbụla chọrọ ibute iru m na emu foto m nọ na ịntanetị na pụta bụ eburu iru m gedo ntị let me tell you something ọ bụrụ na obodo a ya adụ mma ọzọ oya let's go back to what just happened from mbọsị kwesịrị ime independent day bụ failure independent na Nigeria oya let's talk of that. Kedu ihe mere eji celebrate independent? Ke ihe mere celebrate ya even na cancel ya cancel. Why? Enwere 16 soldiers plan the queue, and when they plan this queue, Ofele, they now begin to trade the whole people to pick all of them from their destination. Now, what I believe that Kambagezoku, Obu na onye Igbo soldier no n'ime ya ruru ebe 5 people bụ ndị Igbo, correct ndị Igbo 5 people. Let me tell you, that 16 soldiers, I fire ha niile from Ogaji nwayọ nọ na ina na-ekwu.
Yes,
I fire all the whole soldiers made that kill. I fire ha niile. Akwụna aghọta na mana ihe ji onwere onye gbunwuru wee na-asịrị anya na ha failiri exam na ya ka eji eme ha res ama m ka na aghọta na ebe isi na a na-eme ha res maka na ha dara exam enunugo ụdị ya before a na-eme ya eme na ha dara exam ka eji wee mee ya res so mana ihe nna ebe a na-abụ ihe nghọta ya. Yes, but the point is this: na ihe mmụta nọ n'okwu a na-ekwu ọ bụrụ na enwetara ndị Igbo bụ soja nọ n'ime ya ha ruru 5 nkịtị 5 they will fire everybody pụọ ha niile ụdọ oye ya eme ha niile mana ihe eji wee na-asịrị gị asị na ha dara exam nke a mee nke emere ihe eji wee binye anwa bụ because na ka enyochagwu ya afụ na ndị Igbo anọghị n'ime ya no throughout ndị ugwu ị na ihe na-ekwu ọ bụrụ onye Igbo so na ndị plan that a ya egbu fọ niile egbu believe in me mụ na-agwa gị this kind country kitchen ka anyị niile nọ n'ime ya mụ n'ime ya I will not take those rubbish. I will not. Yes obodo ya arụ ọrụ obodo anụ onye ọbụla na ebe ya ka bụrụ ofu ya ala the truth ka m na-agwa gị n'ụtụtụ a Abu na soja ni na nwa jiri janwa. About 5 Igbo men bu ndi soja ni me. They will fire every other 16 soldiers down. Go and what for you? And my boy here na me. Ndị anụnwa bụ sọsọ asị do ha anya. Nwere ezigbo ihe a na-emenwu. Ị na-aghọta?
Yeah.
A country where propaganda is everywhere. Kedu ka esi wee bido mebe? Ebe ka ya ebido? Nah, because our eyes is on the ball. Because let's go on.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Got through that video. Come download that for got through it.
I am very well. Just reply on WhatsApp. I would know how to do. Can I make it so? Actually, I'm careful no why in a true comment. Namuma, Sukoko Manaka. I can check this video.
Okay. Yeah, man. Even men open got through the video. I'm prepared. Then what go here? What go engage me program? But I go
Fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. Take care. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you. All right. So let's continue as sure. The protest, they are still marching. Anyway, we are going to bring it down now because I will come back again to respond to why Socha, like I promised. I will come back again to respond to her later in the evening. Later in the evening. So thank you all for joining me. Thank you all. People are really this. I'm just gonna say thank you for your time. Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. Honestly, I don't know where they're marching to be honest with you. I don't this doesn't look like Abuja anymore. This doesn't look like Abuja anymore. I don't know where they're marching to. Anyway, please like the video in case if you have not, and keep your eyes on the channel. We're gonna come back later in the evening to do justice to one or two things. All right, please, before you go, share it and like. See you again. Bye bye for now. God bless you. Good morning.